to Vlogmas day 7. Today we are going to do an outfit look. I am so winging this today. I had no idea what I was doing today. So I just slapped some curls in this wig and I just put on eye primer for my eyeshadow of Maybelline look. We're going to be mix matching from each one of Maybelline's palettes. So with that being said, I mean, I have pretty much all Maybelline palettes or eyeshadows. Anyway, we're gonna fix this here. Like I said, this is the primer. It's all about the eyes, okay? All about the eyes, because 9 times out of 10 right now we all wear face masks when we out. And I want to show off my eyes. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but this is another holiday look. I'll be rocking those red boots right there with an outfit. Just a holiday look, just if you're going or if you hope. No, this outfit, to be honest, is if you're hosting at home. It's my birthday. I might wear this outfit. Maybe not, because I wore that shirt already. But anyway, stay tuned for that look as well. I'm stalling because I have no idea what eyeshadow I want to do today. Let's see, red boots. Let's go with gold. We're going to go with gold, right? Right. So, being that we're going to go with gold, it's between these two. Where's my pencil? It's between this one here or this one here. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna wing it. Let's do a brown for the over the eye, over the lid. So we're gonna use this brown out of New York, Nudes of New York. I love this palette. Not because it says New York, but I love this palette because it says New York. But anyway, we're going to go with this brown here. And I'm going to apologize on when I say I'm going to post something down in the description box and I don't. It's because your girl gets a little overwhelmed when she's editing, and then I get a little frustrated because I'm doing all this work and not too many, I'm not getting enough traffic, if that's making any sense. So I don't even think too many people even paid attention to the fact that I have not posted. Okay, I need you to blend. I say this in all videos. Please blend, because you don't want your cut crease to start caking up. I want to do a little dark V shape. I forgot what you call that. We're going to try a little darker color to give it a pop. I think I need my other Maybelline palette, because this is like another dark brown, and this one is in the Maybelline Soda Pop collection. And I have this one in the Lemonade Craze. This was my fall collection. Let's see what we have in. This one here is the Blush Nudes Maybelline. Let's go with this one here. It's a darker shade. I just want to give it a little shadow. It's like that shade right there. So that should work. I just want to put it in the corner here. It's time for some new hair. My birthday's coming up, December 21st. I did say this is Vlogmas day 7, right? Okay, we can do that one. Now let's go back into this one here and blend that. That works. It doesn't look like much right now, but it will come together in a minute. Blend this side. I don't know if it's showing up on camera like it's showing up in the mirror. But we're going to get it together. Stop closing it. And then we're going to go in with, I still have not decided. Let's go with this one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this one here. Yeah, let's go with that one. And these Maybelline palettes, eyeshadow palettes, are so pigmented. I love these. I already applied the foundation and all that stuff before the foundation. And the foundation I'm using is by Maybelline. All products today is by Maybelline. Are by Maybelline. All products are by Maybelline today. Okay. So, with that being said, let's go with, except the eye pencil. I need to get me a eyeliner pencil. Not American. I need to get me a Maybelline. Knock it off. We can't be doing this while I'm talking. Let's get rid of the noise. Vibrate. Okay, there we go. Well, actually, no noise. My watch is making enough vibration. So let's eyeliner. Next, we are going to apply. Why did I do that? Next, we are going to apply my eyelashes. Just a quick, simple beat by Maybelline, because we're going to do an outfit of today's choice. It's always one eye that wants to tear up. when I have a headache. Oh, now that we have the eyelashes on, let me let you know. You're gonna have a headache. Okay, so give me sniffles. Because my eyes worry. Anyway. So. So now that we have the eyelashes on, we can work on what's next. Let's put some eyeshadow. Let's smoke it out underneath my eye. Let's do the eyeliner first. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna do a smoky eye underneath. This will be my first time doing a smoky eye, so it's a fun time trying to play with something when you're trying to make the perfect picture. Now we have the eyeliner on. Take the same brush that we use with the dark shadow. We're going to take this one here, dab it a little bit, and smoke it out. Dab it. That'll work. So next we are going to use, I don't contour, I don't do too much, I don't highlight, and I don't blush, I don't do any of that. So next we're going to use Maybelline's Dream Wonder powder. I don't rub, I pat. Because when you rub, you're rubbing all of the foundation into the brush, and then your makeup will start looking blotchy. You know how back in the days, I'm going to go powder my face. This is literally what they do. They go in there, blop, blop, blop. They don't say blop, blop, blop. But you know, you get where I'm going. So that's pretty much it for the face, because in about 10-20 minutes it's going to look oily because I have oily skin, which is a good thing because it's not going to look dry. Let's get the powder out of the hair. So next step, take the lip gloss off. We are going to go with a, now we're going to go in with a Maybelline Super Stay Matte Lipstick. And this is a, I can't see the number right now. Yeah, definitely can't. I will put everything seriously down in the description box. But this is like a brown color shade. So as you know or don't know, I usually use this to line my lips. Should I ombre my lips today? Somebody's calling me. Yes, we're going to ombre today. So we're also going to go in with another Maybelline Super Stay. And this is in, can't tell you because I can't see it. This is like a nude color. Now we're going to use some lip gloss, not by Maybelline. Stay tuned for my outfit. I'm not going to do the red shoes. Red boots. I'm actually going to do my blue boots. So stay tuned.